Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing a template that matches your goal and slide size. Pick 16, 9 for screens or 4:3 for legacy projectors. Once selected, inspect the master layout immediately so you won't fight inconsistent fonts later. Make sure to set brand colors and a primary font now, because changing them later breaks spacing. You should also replace placeholder images and text on the first slide to test spacing. If those adjustments look clean, you're ready to apply the template across remaining slides. Once in Slide Master, modify the top master and individual layouts so every slide type inherits consistent styling. This prevents manual fixes later. Change the color theme and font pairings here, and add logo placement in the master footer so it appears uniformly. For complex slides, create custom placeholders sized to hold charts or images. That way, copying slides keeps alignment intact. Save the customized theme as a THMX to reuse. Make sure to test a sample content slide to confirm everything scales correctly. Finish by applying your saved theme to the full deck and scanning each slide for layout shifts. Use Reset Slide to snap content into placeholders. Export a PDF and a copy with embedded fonts when sharing externally so spacing and typography remain intact. If images or charts misalign, reinsert them from the master layout or update the placeholder sizes, because manual resizing often causes drift. One key troubleshooting tip: if formatting still breaks, reapply the correct layout from Slide Master rather than editing individual slides.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.